Video. Hindi maliwanag dyan, hindi mo makita ang Iran dyan. Pagtawid ng dagat yung isla dyan. That's Iran. Okay. That is Alhambra Tower, one of the tallest building in the world. Alhambra Tower. You see, that is Arabian Gulf Road. That is Iran in that area. The glass is not so clear because of the cold breeze from the sea. So it makes the glass little blurry. Still you can see outside there's an island, dark side, that's Iran. This is Persian Gulf. It separates Kuwait and Iran. Okay, so you can see the view from down. You have the swimming pool there. You have the playground. You have the tennis court or the football field court. Okay, that's the beauty here. And the Tower of Kuwait, or you can see the view down. It's nice there. You will enjoy. It's my first time coming here, but I'm not regret to be here today. It was a surprise, not planned. Okay. Why like this? You can see that lady is the responsible why I am here. He forced me to be here. Because I have a fear of height.
No bladder.
I'm afraid to come here, but no choice. Okay.